My name is Coach Salisu. In this video, you are going to learn how to use RQTMI signals when it is shared on the channel. Two scenarios. Let's say scenario one, your trade have sold out and you want to place a trade, right? And you don't want to learn how to trade. You just want to pick signal and trade. Scenario two, or you have a new member that you have activated and you don't want to stress yourself to be providing signal for that person. Probably the person doesn't want to learn, right? Just add the person to the channel and right? When you add the person to the channel, RQTMI Crypto Spot channel, this is the channel. Your trade have sold out. You want to pick a signal again. You just scroll, look for, you can see uni, as long as you do not see sold out on the signal. If you don't see sold out, the signal is still valid for you to trade. Even if you trade it and your coin sold out, as long as you do not see signal, you can keep trading it. As when you see signal sold out on the signal, stay away from it. Now, we want to go as, let's say, we want to search for coin that are not yet sold out. You can see CU 3% is not yet, you can see trade it. XRP, you can see trade it. Now I want to trade Kava. So if I want to trade Kava, see Kava, right? Kava USDT. Take profit is 1.5% and the 0.3929. See the entry price 0.3929. If you want to trade Kava, you go to your Royal Queue and check, right? Check what is the price. What is the price? You see the price. What is the price compared with the preset price, right? That's how you trade it. Now if I want to trade SU, let's say I want to trade SU 3%, see it, 3%, SU 3%, right? What is the price? 3.9166. What is the take profit? 3%. I will go back to my Royal Queue. I must ensure before I place the trade, the price I see in Royal Queue should be lower than 3.9166. If it is lower, I pull the trigger. 3% is the take profit, right? 3% is the take profit. That's how you do it. So now, let's say I want to use Kava for example. Now for an example, Kava USDT. Take profit is 1.5%. Entry price 0.3929. I go to my Royal Queue, right? I go to my Royal Queue. If I'm a newbie, I must ensure I have tapped on manage here. Manage. Then you tap on spot, tap on all at the bottom. Then you tap on add at the bottom right, so that any coin that Royal Queue have added to its list, it will appear for me to trade. If I've done that, because I've done it before, that's why you're seeing it not highlighting. Then if I've done that, I'll go back again. You just do it once. You don't need to keep doing it, just once. Now, the name of the coin is Kava USDT. Tap on home, tap on USDT, tap on spot. Tap on home, tap on USDT, tap on spot. Right? If you have done that, you have done that. Tap on the search icon. Tap on the search icon. You tap on the search icon, what do you see? Favorite and all. Right? Favorite and all. When you tap on all, make sure it's still on USDT. Tap on the search icon here. See the search icon? Tap on it here. Your keyboard will come out. When you tap here, the keyboard will come out. So you tap on it. See it? Then you tap on Kava. Type Kava USDT. See, Kava is out. Then you tap on the Kava. Tap on it. You see it? Check the price. Always check the price even before you tap on it. Sorry. Go back again. Now, before you even tap it, check the price. See? 0.3833. But the signal preset price 0.3929. You can see is lower. 38 and 39 is lower. 3833, 3929 is lower. So because it's lower, I can trade it. So since I can trade it, I will just tap on cover, tap on create, tap on martingale strategy boot, tap on create, it's loading, tap on trade setting, tap on manually create, right? Tap on choose a strategy setting. If you have traded this coin before, you will not see choose a strategy setting. You will see rather see my template, and as well as if you have saved it, the setting you have used with $100, you see 100. If you saved it 200, you see 200. If you save it 300, you will not see. You just tap on it. When you tap on it, it will go out, come out, and take you to the next page. So because I've not used traded this coin before, that's why you see choose a strategy setting. When I tap on choose a strategy setting, you see, right? You see, it will show you this page. If I've traded it before, you will just see template, my template, and you will see how much you save it with, tag the setting with. If it is $100, if it is 200, if it's still anyone, you see, then you just tap on this drop down. Tap on this drop down. You tap on the drop down. Take you to this page. Tap on first buy in amount. First buy in amount. Tap on it. Tap on it. You see it. The settings have been loaded on the coin. First thing you change is here. Make sure here is sub B mode real-time settlement. Tap on it. Sub B mode real-time settlement. You see it? Because I am using RQTMI Magic 3 for my $100 capital, I will change this to 15. If I am using Magic 1 or Magic 5, depending on the Magic, I will use my first buy of 20. But because I'm using Magic 3, my first buy is 15. And my capital is $100, depending on the Magic you are using, right? My take profit is 1.5%. So I'll just change this here to 1.5%. See it? Everything is done. I'm done from this end. Make sure I disable AI margin call. This is enabled, disabled. Make sure it's disabled. If you've done that, save, confirm. Right? Save, confirm, activate. I understand. Create. That's all. After some time, after less than 1 minute, you will see that it will use that $15, which is your first buy, to buy. You see it? You use $15 to buy. Now, go back. You go back again. When you go back, how do you check the coin that is currently running? How? When you tap on strategy, see it? It has appeared. When you tap on strategy, running. Because I'm only trading one coin, you see here is 1. If I'm trading 2, here will be 2. If I'm trading 3, here will be 3. Anytime anyone sold out, this number will be reduced. If it is 3 coins you are trading and 1 have sold out, 1 will be left here. If it is 3 coins you are trading, 1 have sold out, you see here will change to 2. So once in a while, this is how you see it. It means that it has used $15 to buy, and it has bought also the first call. It has used total money it has used from your $100 is $25. See it? That's it. You can see the price. This is the price it bought it, which is lower than the entry price of 0.3929, which is the preset price. Right? What is the meaning of this percentage? This is percentage loss. This is floating loss, not permanent loss. This is the quantity. It has bought 66.35. If you go to your exchange, this quantity is constant, does not change. It's only this that change. Now, how did the robot calculate this? If you carry 0.3131451 divided by, this is the in dollar, and this is the money it used, right? If you say 0.092 divided by 25.55 times 100 to give you this percentage. That's how it is. You wait for it to sell while you go and keep doing any other thing you are doing. Once in a while, when you want to pick a call or you want to chat someone on WhatsApp, you can just check. Once you come here and you see here it's showing 0, which means it has sold out, you just go to home, tap on profit details, and know how much you've made. You can see this guy has currently, this account has currently made $0.70, right? Which is in his exchange as profit added to his capital. This money cannot be edited. This is total you have made so far since you created the account. You can't edit it, right? But the money is in your Binance, not in RQTM, right? That's just what you do. Simple as that. If you want to check your coin, just tap on strategy. When you tap on strategy, make sure it's on spot, not futures. Make sure it's on spot, confirm. Spot martingale. This is where you check your coin. Once in a while you check. If it has sold, this is floating profit. If it's showing red, it's floating profit. If it's showing green, floating, sorry, if it's showing red, floating loss. If it's showing green, floating profit. That's just what you do. If it sells, if it's this scenario, if you have a team member, you've added the person to the channel, this is what you show him. Simple. If it sells, you go back to the channel again. See it. Look for anyone that don't have sold out. Make sure the price is lower and you trade it. If you see sold out on the coin, stay away from it. You will see series of signals there. You see it here. See it. SU, SRP. As long as it's not sold out yet, you can trade it. If you see sold out, stay away from it. Stay away from it. I hope you find this video helpful.